The Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Aaron.
And I'm Abe. And we are excited to share our remarkable stories of Thurgood Marshall, a true champion of civil rights. Thurgood Marshall was a civil rights warrior who used the power of the courts to fight against racial segregation and discrimination in the United States. His effort paved the way for monumental changes in our society. Born in Baltimore, Maryland, Thurgood faced discrimination firsthand when he was rejected by the University of Maryland Law School because of his race. He persevered and graduated first in his class of Howard University in 1933.
While attending Howard University, he met his mentor, Charles Hamilton Houston, who inspired him to use the law as a tool for social change. Together, they fought against racial injustice, including in the landmark case Murray v. Pearson, which challenged segregation in education. Marshall went on to become a leading attorney, arguing 32 cases before the U.S. Supreme Court and winning 29.
His most famous case was Brown v. Board of Education in 1954, where the Supreme Court ruled that segregation but equal was unconstitutional in public schools. Marshall decided to justice but did not end up there. In 1967, he made history by becoming the first black justice of the United States Supreme Court, opponed by the President Lyndon B. Johnson. During his near 25 years of Supreme Court, Marshall continued to fight for his equality and affirmative actions and civil rights for all Americans.
As Marshall once said, the measure of a country's greatness is its ability to retain compassion in times of crisis. He believed in equal justice for all and worked tirelessly to make that a reality. The inspiring story of Thurgood Marshall teaches us to stand up for what's right and treat others with kindness and respect. Have a great day.
Have a great day.